I'm John Tortu, doctor of osteopathic medicine, and I'm talking about viscerosomatic release concept technique that I'm developing that is a way to treat the body osteopathically with an eye toward the Chinese medicine meridian map to allow an improvement of both the organ function at the capsule restriction and the extremity range of motion that's connected along the energy channel. VSR technique for the large bowel for the upper extremity. Right, we'll test this to the feather edge of a restricted barrier. Here. I could push it through here, but it's obviously bound there. It doesn't want to come up even the horizontal through passive motion testing. On the left with a similar mobility, there's ease of motion greater than that on the right. The limit of motion is here, and what's that? It's about 45 degrees off the horizontal. This is negative 5 degrees off the horizontal. This area of the clavicle, from the sternoclavicular, from the cervical and the mandible across the clavicle from the sternoclavicular to the acromioclavicular is a line that is considered to be the large bowel energy channel that would be related to ileocecal valve restriction in the lower right quadrant. Palpating here at the clavicle and at the ileocecal valve shows a response of tissue texture improvement. Holding the ileocecal valve and then motion testing the upper extremity to a barrier causes both the upper extremity and the ileocecal region to create a sympathetic, if you will, pulsatile palpatory sensation, at which time the improvement of that sensation allows for this mobility right here. And that's about the end of the treatment. The ileocecal valve now is soft, and motion testing of the shoulder shows a dramatic improvement of the range of motion of the shoulder. As compared to the left that was well, compared to the right, the left shows restriction as compared to the right. Reversing this idea, the sigmoid colon would be the large bowel extension of this left upper extremity injury. So palpating the sigmoid colon, then abducting the arm to a point where there is a communication between the arm and the sigmoid colon. That position is held, waiting for the mechanism of the body to reorganize that restriction. At this point, there's an improvement of the communication, and the arm wants to lift itself away from that. I didn't have to lift it as much as the arm wanted to lift. Now the sigmoid colon is soft, and the left upper extremity range of motion is dramatically improved. Now the symmetrical motion of both upper extremities should also be improved.